ALDI Mobile is what's called an MVNO, a mobile virtual network operator. This means they don't own their own cell towers, but instead lease network access from Telstra's wholesale network. One major reason for data issues is coverage limitations. While ALDI Mobile uses Telstra's wholesale network, coverage can be weaker in rural and remote areas compared to Telstra's full network. There are several common reasons why your ALDI Mobile data might not be working. Network congestion during peak hours can slow down or interrupt your connection, especially in busy areas. Recent reports from June 2025 show that some users experience data issues after switching to ALDI Mobile, particularly after porting their phone number from another provider. Another common issue is exceeding your data allowance or having an inactive plan. Always check that your plan is active and you haven't used up your monthly data allocation. Finally, while ALDI Mobile offers 5G access in some areas, the speeds and availability may be capped compared to Telstra's full network. This can result in slower data speeds than expected. Understanding these potential causes is the first step to resolving your ALDI Mobile data issues, whether it's network congestion, coverage limitations, or plan-related problems. Identifying the root cause will help you get back online faster. Start with the most basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart your phone completely. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes your network connection. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 15 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the mobile network and can resolve connection issues. Verify that mobile data is actually enabled in your phone's settings. Sometimes data can be accidentally disabled, preventing internet access even when connected to the network. If basic steps don't work, try removing and reinserting your SIM card. Turn off your phone first, carefully remove the SIM card, then reinsert it securely. A crucial step is verifying your APN settings. These settings tell your phone how to connect to ALDI Mobile's network. The APN should be set to mdata.au for ALDI Mobile. Ensure your device is running the latest software version. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with network connections and mobile data. If problems persist after trying all these steps, contact ALDI Mobile customer support for assistance. They can check for network issues or account problems that might be affecting your service. As a last resort, consider temporary alternatives like an eSIM from providers like Voism for immediate network access. This can provide backup internet while you resolve your ALDI Mobile issues. By systematically following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve most ALDI Mobile data connectivity problems and restore your internet connection.